and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be teaching you viewers how I basically curl my sleek bone straight lau hair into a very loose wavy hair texture. And basically what I do is I curl my hair, or I curled my hair as you saw in this video from the beginning with my curling iron, 1-bar curling iron, and I also used the clippers to hold the curls for 15 minutes because I didn't want my curls too tight and I wanted my bangs to stay. So basically that is what I did to get these loose wavy hair texture, and you can tell it's straight up to my hip. This hair is Laotian wavy hair texture, and it had the medium to low luster, meaning it wasn't too silky and it wasn't too coarse. So what I did was I straightened the hair, which I've got a video on my channel, and I will show you a video of the straight hair texture right now. So as you can see, the straight hair texture, this hair can straighten to bone straight, and I'm back now. So before this hair was able to go bone straight, it had a bit of texture to it, and as I initially stated, it wasn't too much on the silky side and it wasn't too much on the coarse side, and now it's getting more on the silky side because I actually straightened this hair before curling it because I wanted this hair soft, and this hair was too big. And when I basically straightened this hair, it was really big because it still had that texture of in between coarseness and in between silkiness. And now the hair is really light. As you can see, it's not as coarse as it was, and it's all due to me straightening this hair. And I'm glad I really did because I wanted to play around with this hair to just check to see if it can actually be silky, and yes, it can. It's not on the coarse to medium luster anymore. This is getting to the medium to high luster now. I made this hair pretty soft. This hair is tangle free. Be rest assured, if you buy it from www.rawvirginhairboutique.com, you will not get tangled hair. Absolute single to double donors. We sell both single donors and double donor. Tangle free, guaranteed. The hair can be bleached and dyed to any texture of your choice. And do not forget to use my discount code, which is my name, Activo20, for 20% off your entire purchase on our website. And also do not forget to check the mink lashes out. We do have the 5D mink lashes section. Check it out. my next video. Hope you viewers did enjoy this tutorial on how to basically curl your sleek bone straight hair into wavy. So see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed.